Hi, I want to show you how you can create a lead generation form and collect your leads. So let's get started. The easiest way is to get to Formally dashboard at dash.formally.net. There you will see your Formally dashboard and get to the templates. There are various templates you can use in different purposes. Just get to the lead generation form template. You can see a demo of it, see it in various screens. It looks just perfect in your screen. And let's pick the template and get to the form editor. There you can edit your form based on your needs. You can add your logo up there. You can edit the form template, add descriptions, and add your questions. For example, there's a section you can type in here. You can add your questions. The most important question here is how your company can help your leads. So there you will get the basic of lead and what's their purpose, what they need. This is just an example. You can edit the questions based on your needs, and you just remember to ask for their email address so you can reach out to them because it's important. Otherwise, it's no lead. And fill in the submit button text, and after submission, you can show them your customized text, and you can also add images there. You can add your own questions from the left pane in the Add tab, Add Field tab, and you can choose from different question types. You can delete each question you think it's not necessary to ask, and just remember to hit Save. By clicking on the View Form, you will see how your form looks like. And this is the link to your form. You can share it with your audience, or you can embed your form in your own website. Yeah, this is how the form looks like, and you can get back just because this is the multiple choice field. And yeah, this is how your form looks like. Just imagine you want to share your form in your own website. To do that, you can. There's one way is to hit save. Here is how can I use my form, and another way is to get to the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will see your form, and on the menu beside your form, you can choose view code and widgets, which is the same page as this I just showed you. And here's the link to your form. You can choose iframe or script tags, and it gives you a simple code that you can just copy and paste it into your own website. And this is how you can embed it into your website. So this is how your form looks in your website. This is just a demo of it. And yeah, this is a simple way to create a lead generation form. And you can also make it a widget. Widgets are very helpful, and it's like a pop-up, an opt-in here. It's like a chat box, and you will ask your questions just like this. It's how it will look like, and you can copy the code and paste it to your website. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, just write it down below. Bye for now.